For this assignment, you're going to look at the model and find out what fraction, decimal, and percent that represent the model. For the first one, you see there is 2 shaded parts out of 5 in total. So we have 2/5 as a fraction. So how can I find out the percent of 2/5? 2/5, think about your fingers. Right? Think about your fingers. You have 5 fingers, and then this represent 5 fingers represent 100%. So if each finger will represent 20%. So if I'm talking about 2/5, mean 2 finger is 40%. If I'm talking about 3/5, it is 60%. If I'm talking about 4/5, it's 80%. And if I'm talking about 5/5 mean 100. Okay, so 2/5, 2 finger, 40%. Remember, I show you how to find from the percent, how to convert to decimal. You're gonna move your decimal 2 places to the left. So from 40% you convert to decimal, it will be 0.4 by moving the decimal. Okay. Next, you have 3 shaded parts out of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 total. So we have 3/5. Look at your finger again. How much is 3/5? 20, 40, 60. 60%. Okay, move your decimal 2 places to the left. You have 0.60 or 0.6. Okay, next one. You have a circle shaded, half of that mean 1/2. And this is easy, right? You know 1/2, half of 100, 50%. And you want to find the decimal, move it to the left. So you have 0.5. Next, you have 1 orange piece part out of 4 in total. 1/4, think about quarter. So how much is a quarter? 25%. Again, move your decimal 2 places to the left. You have 0.25. Next, you will see 1 plaque shaded out of 3. So you have 1/3. 1/3, if you want to find out the percent, you have 100 whole divided by 3. So 1 cannot divide by 3. I put up 0. 10 divided by 3. How many times that 3 going to 10? 3. 3 times 3 get me 9. 10 minus 9 is 1. Put down 0. 10 divided by 3. I have another 3. So similarly, you have to have a remainder. So 3 times 3 again is 9. 10 minus 9 is another 1. Borrow a 0. Return a decimal. 10 divided by 3 is 3. So 3 times 3 is 9. So this is a repeating decimal. 33.3% for 1/3. Don't forget to put the line top to tell me that you're having a repeating decimal. Again, you're going to move your decimal 2 places to the left. So you have 0.33 with the line on the top because they are repeating decimal. Okay. Gonna erase it. I cannot erase this one. Okay, next you have 3, 4, and you're gonna model it. So you can draw a bar, you can draw a circle, we see so many circles, so I'm going to draw the bar and break it to 4 parts, and I'm going to shade 3. Okay, this is going to represent 3/4. So 3/4, everything out of 4. Think about quarter. So a quarter is 25 cents. So for 3, you need 3/4, which is 75%. Again, move the decimal so you can have a decimal. That 0.75. Okay, next you see giraffe. How many of them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fraction, mark out 2 total. So total is 5. Mark out is 4. 4/5. This is good. So fifth, 5. Think about your finger. You have 5 fingers. So 4 of them, we need 4 fingers. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 fingers is 80%. And move your decimal, you will have 0.8. You have 5 stars, but only 1 shaded, so you have 1/5. 5 again. So think about your finger, 1/5. You just need 1 finger, so this represents 20%. So you move your decimal 2 places to the left, you have 0.2. Okay, 9 out of 10. You need to draw a model that represents 9 out of 10. You can draw anything. You can make a star. You can make a fun animal or circle, anything. So I'm gonna draw, let's see, I'm not creative today, so I'm just drawing a circle and break it into 10 parts. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do it the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so and I need 9 of them, so I'm gonna shade 9. So this represents 9 out of 10, and let's convert 9 of 10 into a decimal. So 9 out of 10 will be 0.9. And 0.9 is 90%. Again, to decimal to percent, you move the decimal 2 places to the right. So you put in a 0, so that's why it's become 90%. Or think about if you have 9 out of 10, you make 90 out of 100, which is the same thing with 90%.